Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to program GMC Canyon key fob. Start by gathering 2 working keys, the new fob, and a small screwdriver. Sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed and the ignition off. I will walk you through each step slowly and clearly, from entering programming mode to testing the fob. Follow along and pause when needed to complete each action safely and confidently. To enter programming mode, insert then remove the key repeatedly as instructed, counting each action carefully. You will trigger the truck to cycle the door locks when successful, which is your confirmation. If the locks do not cycle, reset and repeat the sequence without hesitation. Keep the new fob and working key within reach, and I will guide you through the exact timing so the truck accepts the new remote without any fuss. Now program the fob by pressing its lock and unlock buttons at the proper moment after the truck signals readiness. Listen for the confirming lock cycle that indicates the programming took hold, and if it does not happen, repeat the button presses once more. After you hear confirmation, test every button from a short distance to confirm range and operation. If anything fails, replace the battery and repeat the programming steps calmly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.